Do you have the number for the septic guy?
Piney filled the tanks already?
Yeah. Someone's been flushing nice panties.
I don't even know what to say to that. Here you go.
Thanks. You look real nice today, Jimmy.
Thank you, Eddie.
Whoa! What the hell is she doing here, huh?
She told me she was getting out in
It's not his fault, okay? I know I'm not supposed to be here. Let me go talk to someone.
You talk to somebody in some other charter. You got that, sweet butt? Get her the hell out of here now.
Let's go. What are you thinking, man?